Once in a peaceful countryside nestled between green hills and winding rivers, lived a young boy named Aiden. He was around 12 or 13 years old, full of curiosity, energy, and questions about the world. Aiden lived with his parents in a quiet village where life was simple and time seemed to move slowly. One summer after many years, Aiden got the chance to visit his grandfather, Elias, who lived in another village a few hours away. Aiden's parents sent him off with blessings, knowing that time spent with Grandpa Elias would be both joyful and full of wisdom. Grandpa Elias was a gentle and thoughtful man, known in his village for his quiet strength and profound insights. The villagers often came to him for advice, and he always had a way of explaining the most complex ideas through simple stories and metaphors. Aiden adored his grandfather and cherished every moment they spent together, playing, exploring the fields, asking endless questions, and soaking in his grandfather's gentle guidance. One bright afternoon, as the sun filtered through the leaves of a large tree in Elias's backyard, Aiden sat beside his grandfather. Birds chirped in the background, and a cool breeze rustled the leaves above them. After a long pause in their conversation, Aiden turned to his grandfather and said, "Grandpa, when I grow up, I want to become a great leader. Can you tell me how to become one?" Grandpa Elias looked at the boy with kind eyes and smiled. "Of course, Aiden, but to answer that question, I need to show you something first. Come with me." Intrigued, Aiden followed his grandfather as they walked down a narrow path into the village. After a short walk, they arrived at a small bird shop tucked between two buildings. The shop was filled with the soft sounds of chirping and flapping wings. Grandpa Elias spoke briefly with the shopkeeper and purchased two baby birds, small, delicate creatures that barely filled the palms of their hands. They returned home, and there Grandpa Elias prepared two different environments for the birds. One of the birds he placed inside a wooden cage in the house, where it would be protected from the outside world. It would be fed regularly, kept warm and safe. The other bird he released outside near a sturdy tree in the backyard. It had to fend for itself, find its own food, learn to fly, and face the unpredictability of nature. After setting the birds in their respective places, Grandpa Elias turned to Aiden and asked, "Which bird do you think will grow stronger and fly higher in the end?" Aiden considered the question and replied thoughtfully, "The one in the cage. It's safe, has food, and doesn't have to face danger. The outside bird might get caught in a storm, get attacked, or even starve." Grandpa Elias simply smiled and said, "Let's wait and see." The years passed. Aiden visited his grandfather again 4 years later. Now a teenager, taller and more mature, he still held the memory of that day in his heart. As soon as he arrived, he greeted his grandfather with excitement and warmth. "Grandpa," he said, "do you remember the question I asked you years ago? You never told me how to become a great leader. Will you tell me now?" Grandpa Elias chuckled softly and replied, "Yes, Aiden, but first let's go see the birds." They walked toward the house. First, they visited the bird that had been kept inside the cage. It was still alive, but just barely. Its feathers were dull, its movements slow. It had never learned to fly. It sat perched in its cage, unused to the world beyond its wooden bars. Then they went outside. In the branches of the same old tree, they spotted the second bird. It was magnificent, strong, graceful, and free. It soared through the sky with ease and confidence, its wings cutting through the wind as it glided over the fields below. Grandpa Elias turned to Aiden and asked, "Now tell me, which bird became stronger and more powerful?" Aiden stared at the bird in the sky and replied, "The one outside. But how? It had to face so many dangers." His grandfather placed a hand on his shoulder and said, "Exactly. It faced storms, hunger, fear, and even failure. But through those struggles, it became stronger. It learned to fly, to survive, and to grow. And that, my dear Aiden, is the path of a true leader." He continued, his voice calm but firm. "Leadership doesn't grow in safety. It doesn't come from always being comfortable or protected. Leaders are forged in challenges. They grow through adversity, they rise when others fall, and they keep going even when things get tough." Aiden listened closely, his heart open to the wisdom pouring from his grandfather's words. If you want to be a great leader, Grandpa Elias said, don't fear hardship. Don't run from the storms. Let them strengthen you. Let them teach you. Leadership is not about avoiding difficulty. It's about becoming stronger because of it. As they stood there watching the free birds soar, Arin felt a deep understanding take root within him. He looked up at the sky, watched the bird disappear into the clouds, and smiled. He now understood what it meant to lead. Years later, Arin would go on to become a respected and courageous leader in his community. Whenever people asked him how he became so strong, he would smile and tell them the story of two birds, one raised in safety and the other in the wild. And he would pass on the same message his grandfather once gave him. In life, we often seek comfort, safety, and ease, believing that avoiding hardship will lead us to happiness and success. But true growth rarely happens in times of peace. Just like the bird raised in the wild, we become stronger not by staying in our comfort zone, but by facing the unpredictable winds of life. Struggles, failures, and fears are not signs of weakness. They are the very tools life uses to shape us. Every challenge we overcome builds resilience. Every fear we confront teaches us courage, and every failure we rise from adds another layer to our strength. Leadership, success, and personal growth are forged through experience, not protection. The safest path may keep us unharmed, but it also keeps us untested, unproven, and unchanged. If we want to soar, we must be willing to stretch our wings in the storm. So the next time life gets tough, remember, it's preparing you. Every storm you face is shaping you into the person you're meant to become. Don't fear the struggle, embrace it, because it's in the hardest moments that your true strength begins to rise.